Welcome to another episode or what the heck's the channel called? Oh my gosh, I'm so out of practice for these, but I'll get back into it. Welcome to another episode. So today, we're going to be doing the BMW R100. I know that's not been on the screen for a while. Where's my cup of tea? I know that's not been on the screen for a while. I can't even remember the last thing that I showed actually. I should go back through my YouTube and have a look. But I kind of think it might have been the front end, might have been the reconditioning of the front forks. Now they were all gone. And just for a recap of what we're doing for this, we are doing a scrambler for the BMW R100. It's going to be a pretty neat scrambler. We've got some twin duro tyres on it at the moment. We've done a lot to it. So as a recap, we've put a new rear subframe, bolt-on rear subframe for that. Made a seat. We haven't upholstered it yet, but it's got the foam on. Reconditioned the engine as well, so the cylinder heads had a bit of a leak in. They're now sorted. Gaskets, that was. Like I said, front forks were all shocked. Front brakes weren't even working. They were leaking everywhere. And just a load of other stuff really. Drum shoes, they've been sorted, and all those kind of things. Not to mention that we've powder coated the entire frame after stripping it all down and painting the engine and whatnot. But today's episode, just a little one to ease us back in. I am actually fitting a little fog lamp on the side. Little yellow European fog lamp. Not a massive job, but the only thing is I'm making a bracket after I've powder coated the little crash bars on the side. Not the end of the world. I mean, there's a lot of times, I even did that for the bike at Dime City Cycles as well, on the CX500, where I figured out, oh hang on, I need to dig back into this. Now, as long as you prime it properly and fine, it'll do. Like I say, not ideal, you want to powder coat it all in one go. But that is today's episode, seeing how we're going to mount that little light on and show it. Now the benefit of this little light is if you are doing off-road scrambles and stuff, position it to the left, you get to see what's happening on the left hand side. Obviously pedestrians are going to be walking towards you and whatnot if you're on the road. But again, it's just a handy additional light for when you want your high beam or even a fog lamp. I can put an additional switch on there if I need to. That's going to be it. So what I've got, or the idea is on this crash bar here, I'm going to put this light here, mount it on there. Now obviously the problem I've got is that this screw, this thread here, isn't long enough to go through the bar, top to bottom. So what I am thinking is putting a bracket just on there, well, taking the crash bars off, welding a bracket on, no, there you go. That'll be that there. Perfect. Right, just to show you what we've actually done here, obviously there's that whole video, but this, as you can see, was filmed quite a while ago, so there's a lot of dust on here. A lot has actually gone on. This bike has just been sat here gathering dust, literally. So I do need to clean it loads to get that original shine back in. Look at that, just down there, instantly. But back to the point of this, what I did do, put this little bracket on there, quite simply, primed it, sprayed it, and now this is firmly fixed in. Put the crash bars back on and they're firmly fixed with everything that's needed. So all the pulleys and all the connection points and everything like that, all down there. Sorted. I have left these wires out here. Now my immediate thinking is that I'm just gonna take it down there, tuck it around the back of that. I don't want to have it behind this bag because it'll be flapping in the wind. Conscious of that. And then just take it across and there it can go back up to where it needs to go up there. Sorted. Really easy, really easy. But hopefully this will inspire other people to do the same, really. And as you can see, even though this was powder coated before, I didn't mind grinding it off and putting this on and spraying it again. You can hardly tell where the powder coating finishes and when that spray comes on. Easy. And there you have it. The light is now fitted. Next stage with this BMW, I'm pretty certain I might actually fabricate a little luggage rack on the back. So it is a twin seat, it's got a pillion seat, pillion footrests are still on there, they've been placed back on, so it is a functional pillion bike now. But I might actually create a little luggage rack. Screws at the bottom so you can screw it on and off, might even fix it onto the shock mounts at the side, that might be an idea. But that's what I'll do in the next episode. Might even do it, as I'm known for, a little cheap job and steal the current luggage rack that's off the K100 over there. We'll see. So if you like what you see, if you want to keep up to date with BMW R100, the Mongrel, and whatever else bike that we've got going on in here, I mean the Myco's on the go and also a little Herald at the back. If you want to stay up to date with all those, then subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, always stuff going on daily on that. But until next week, which will be Christmas. It will be Christmas. This is the last episode going out before Christmas. Until next week, happy Christmas and see you just before the new year.